Hey guys, well, my name is Beige. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig. This wig was sent to me from Nadula Hair. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is a 24-inch 6 by 4.5 lace closure wig. The texture is body wave, the density is 150%, and this wig features Nadula's new pre-cut lace and breathable wig cap. Here is an up close of the hairline. The knots have been pre-plucked, but they have not been bleached. The stretchy, breathable wig cap has a silicone strip in the back for high hairstyles without the need for adhesive. The cap features 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. It is easy to wear and it is laying flat straight out of the package, which I like. This is a lace closure, but you are able to do side parts too if you wanted to do that. So of course you can part anywhere within the lace closure of the wig. The hairline is pre-plucked, but there is a very obvious line of demarcation. I want the hairline to have more of a gradual density, so I am going to do my method, the beige method of zigzag plucking and parting to smooth out that harsh line. Do you prefer your wigs to have a side part or a middle part? Let me know in the comments. I did decide to widen the part a little bit more. I feel like it would look a lot more natural if the part was a little bit wider. So I'm going to go ahead and start plucking some hairs from the parting space. And then I'm going to part where the parting space is on the left and right sides and then start plucking some more hairs from there. That is going to flatten the parting space and also widen it as well. While plucking the hair, I am noticing as I'm brushing the hair backwards, the lace is rolling upwards. And that is because these knots have been placed on the lace going towards your face, kind of like bangs would go. So me brushing the hairline back is creating rolling on the edge of the lace. If you come across this problem with your wig, I'm going to show you how to still wear your hair out of your face with the lace flattened. Keep watching. So now I am just going to tint the lace. I'm grabbing 2 different colors of lace tint. The first color is the color of my foundation. I am going to spray that on the edge of the under portion of the lace closure. And the second color is the color of my scalp. And I'm going to spray that on the inner portion of the lace closure. I am going to do 2 layers of each color of lace tint and then blow dry in between each layer. So now I am just going to grab a pair of shears and cut some face framing layers into the wig. Grabbing my hair wax stick from Care, I'm going to place the hairs backwards and then just use that hair wax stick to get these hairs to go in the direction that I want them to go into. And then I'm just going to grab my pressing comb and go over those hairs. The edge of the lace is still lifting up and rolling back, but don't worry, we're going to fix that later. My vision for this hairstyle was big blowout curls. So the hairstyling tool is the Dyson Airwrap. And then I'll be using Garnier Fructis's Mega Full Thickening Lotion to help this wig look a lot thicker and fuller than it is. So dividing the hair in 2 sections, I'm going to spray that Mega Thick Thickening Lotion to the first section and then use my Dyson Airwrap to curl the hair. Believe it or not, today I am doing a glueless install. So I need this lace to lay flat and look natural. As you can see, it's still lifting up, but I'm just going to grab my flat iron and I'm basically going to reverse the roll with my flat iron. And then I'm going to use the side of the flat iron to kind of get the lace to stick down. And that's how it's looking now. I do suggest, if you do wear adhesive with this wig, I do suggest just spraying some of your adhesive spray to the rat tail end of a comb and then pressing that adhesive to the very edge of the lace where it may be rolling up at, and then putting your headscarf on. That will completely solve your problem. Now I'm just going to apply some of this powdered foundation to the parting space. Look how natural that part looks, y'all. Whoa. Widening the part made a huge difference, and of course this powder did as well. It looks so natural. So now I'm just going to finish off the hairline by adding some baby hairs. After allowing the baby hairs to set, here is how the finished look is looking, y'all. Look at that hairline. But it looks super, super natural afterwards. And I do want to show you guys that I did not add any adhesive to the front of the wig at all. So you will see me lifting it up periodically through the video, the intro and outro. But yes, I love this. I love how it came out. This is so, so, so cute and perfect for your everyday wig. Perfect for that wig that you just throw on when you're going for like a girls' night or a vacation or like a FaceTime call or a date. This wig is perfect for that. Like your go-to wig would be this one. Let's chat everything this wig down below in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to the wig worn in this video. This wig is from Nadula Hair. I'll have all of their information in the description box down below. Bye, guys.
Babe, Nadula.